Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Kantai. Today I am going to talk about non-technical topic is air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of the atmosphere by harmful substances, including gases, particulate, and biological molecules. It results from human activities such as industrial process, vehicle emission, and agricultural practices, as well as from natural sources like volcanic eruptions and forest fires. The pollutant introduced can affect the health of living organisms, damage natural ecosystem, and contribute to climate change. Then primary causes of air pollution. Air pollution is first one is industrial activities. Industrial such as manufacturing, mining, and power generation release large amount of pollution into the atmosphere. Common emissions include sulfur dioxide, SO2 generated from burning fossil fuels like coals and oils. SO2 contribute to formation of acid rain and respiratory issues. Nitrogen oxide NOx produced by the power plant and international combustion engine. NOx plays a role in forming acid rain. Particulate matter, small particles of solid or liquid suspended in air originating from contribution site, power plants and factories. Then respiratory system causing health problem. Industrial chemical factories often release volatile organic compound and substance that can react in the atmosphere to from secondary pollution. Vehicles emission. Motors vehicles are significant sources of pollution. Urban areas, the combustion of gasoline and diesel fuels release carbon monoxide, colorless, odorless gas that can reduce the amount of oxygen that bloods can carry. Hydrocarbon emission to fuels and ground level ozone. Nitrogen oxide contribute to ozone formation and associate with various health effects. Poorly maintained vehicles and heavy traffic congestion can emission leading to higher level of urban pollution. Agriculture activities. The use of synthetic fertilizers and herbicides release chemicals like ammonia into the atmosphere, significant air pollution that can contribute to formation of secondary particulate matter. Farming produces